Hi, this is Kirk from iMazing. Today I'm going to tell you how you can export your contacts from your iPhone or iPad to a Mac or PC. You store contacts on your iPhone or iPad. Information about your family, friends, and colleagues. You store their email addresses, phone numbers, messages handles, and more. You can sync these to iCloud or via iTunes, but iOS doesn't give you any way to manage them in bulk. If you want to export some or all of your iPhone contacts to your Mac or PC, iMazing can help. It can export them as one or more vCards or in bulk as a CSV file. This is particularly useful if you need to export contacts to Outlook, to the Contacts app, or to a spreadsheet. Here's how. Launch iMazing and connect your iOS device. If you've already connected a device and it's available via Wi-Fi, you'll be able to use it without a wired connection. Select your device in the iMazing sidebar, then click on Contacts. iMazing loads the contacts from your last backup. If you haven't backed up your device in a while, click the Refresh button in the iMazing toolbar and iMazing updates the backup. To export one or more contacts, select them, then click Export to VCard or Export to CSV. If you choose Export to VCard, iMazing saves a VCard file with the contacts. You can then import this into the Contact Management app on your Mac or PC. If you export to CSV or a comma-separated values file, you can import this to a spreadsheet. In iMazing's other data settings, you can choose whether CSV files use commas, tabs, or semicolons as delimiters. You can also choose whether you want all exported contacts in a single vCard file or each contact in its own file. Choose the latter if you want to be able to share individual contacts with others.